Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome to my video class. We are already studying one statement in last class. That statement is angle in a semicircle is right. We want to prove that. This statement want to prove is a right. Prove that. Question is, first question, proof question. Prove that angle in a semicircle is right. Therefore, angle, all students are know what is angle. Two lines joining that time make an angle measurement, that is angle. In a semicircle, what is semicircle? One circle is drawing, that time diameter is drawn, pass through the center, therefore it is divided into two parts. One part is called semicircle, that part is called a semicircle. Then that semicircle, one semicircle here, APB. That semicircle, its diameter, draw from the ends of the diameter to a point on the semicircle or circle. Mark a point P, draw a line from A to P, B to P. Therefore, we make an angle is, want to prove 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is right. That is the question. Therefore, we want to prove that. What is prove that? Angle APB 90 degree. Angle APB 90 degree. But O is the center of the circle. Let O is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. And AB is a diameter. The O is the center of the circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. Therefore, here joining one point to P. Now I join a line to P. OP. Join OP. This is the construction. Join OP. Therefore, we get two triangles divided into two triangles. First triangle name is AOP. Consider triangle AOP is a isosceles triangle. What is the reason? OA equal to OP equal to radius R, radii of the same circle. OA equal to OP is the radii of the same circle. Therefore, triangle is isosceles triangle. AOB is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. AOP is an isosceles triangle. You are already studying in 9th standard. In isosceles triangle, opposite angles, equal sides opposite angles are equal. Equal sides opposite angles are equal. AOP isosceles. This side's opposite angle. OA opposite angle is this. Therefore, put two angles are equal. Therefore, take X. Let angle OAP equal to angle OPA equal to X degree. Let OAP equal to OPA X. Reason isosceles triangle base angles are equal or equal sides opposite angles are equal. Same manner, consider this triangle OBP is also isosceles triangle. Reason OP is equal to OP. is an isosceles triangle. Reason: OB equal to OP is a radii of the same circle. Therefore, this also isosceles. Third time, it's opposite angle, equal sides opposite angle, want to take Y. Therefore, what is the angle name? OBP equal to angle OPB equal to Y degree. Two sides are equal sides opposite angles are equal, therefore Y. We want to prove angle APB 90 degree. Therefore, adding all angles, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle P equal to 180. What is the reason? This is a triangle. Triangle, sum of the angle is always 180 degree. A, B, P 180 degree. Here A is marked X degree. B also marked Y. P, what is the angle? X plus Y. X plus Y equal to 180 degree. Therefore, X 2 times, therefore 2X. Y also 2 times, therefore 2Y equal to 180. 2 taken outside, 2 into X plus Y equal to 180. 2 bring to the RHS side, therefore X plus Y equal to 180 by 2. What is 180 by 2? 90 degree. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to 90 means angle ABP equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we prove that angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Now, proved. Therefore, hence proved. Therefore, what is the answer? Statement proof. Angle in a semicircle is right. How to prove? Therefore, first join the line OP. Therefore, two triangle. What are the triangle name? OAP, OBB. Then first look that triangle. Consider this triangle. Two sides are equal. Reason, radii of the same circle. Therefore, two sides are equal. Therefore, opposite angles also equal. Therefore, consider XX. Same manner, these are radius. Therefore, this triangle also isosceles. Opposite angles also equal, y. Therefore, adding these three angles, we get 180. What is the reason? Angle sum property. And what is angle sum property? Sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. Sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. A plus B plus P equal to 180. A, X, B, Y. Angle P means X plus Y. X 2 times, therefore 2X. Y also 2 times 2Y. Therefore 2 taken outside. That 2 is bring to RHS side. Therefore we get 90 degree. Therefore angle in a semicircle is right. Clear the idea? Okay.